So it's like, fuck, what can I do? How can I make this shake? I mean, because this is perfect. Look at this. It's got little soft pads. Doesn't destroy anything. How do you make this shake? Oh, I have one of these chingaderas. I got a sawzall. Sawzalls like to shake. So, what you can do, you can take one of these as a template. And with your skills as a metal worker, a grinder and a file and whatnot, grind this out so it fits in here. Measure the thickest it'll fit is about 2.5 millimeters. So first time I ground it down both ways. I'll post the first picture. I left this hole, but there was a mistake. This thing weighs a lot and it shakes a lot. Hole's no good. It broke off. Luckily, the wall's smart enough to have two chingaderas, so till I get, oh, looks like it fell out. Even better. Anyhow, so cut it off past the hole. I'll post another picture how I used 4 of these blades to give myself a template, a height. I kept checking with calipers, but easy way was just not grind one side, just take down one side. Why try to flatten 2? And when all that's said and done, you end up with something like this. Not bad for freehanding. And I just clean up the other side, keep checking where is it grabbing. And once all that's said and done, oh, maybe it's still in there. Yeah, the other piece that broke, it's still in that side piece. But fits in here. Then you gotta do this. This, I found out, does no need to squeeze too hard, crash the cap. It shakes not too crazy. Then I guess depending what kind of sawzall you have. Full speed is insane. I should probably do it just to show you, but I'll do it. Let me just show you this. This is how much speed you need for this to be a reasonable shaking. And then I just remove the battery. And because I'm too lazy to hold the thing, I'll just find one of these thingamadoos and just hang it anywhere. 2 minutes. You're gonna be holding, trying not to do any work, not to do extra work, right? So just hang this. Because it's in a string, I guess if you put it on like something stretchy, probably even, it absorbs their vibrations a little bit. And then to turn it off and on, of course, redneck style, just stomp the battery in there. And that's it. Now just for shits and jiggles, because he's gonna jiggle. This is full speed. Jesus Christ. My God. They'll foam the paint up. I'll bet you it'll spray out like seltzer water. So yeah, just right about, oh, too much. I mean, you know, don't get crazy. If this shit explodes, they're just so much more work.